Hit me with that bounce, baby. Come on.
Welcome back to my channel, guys. Really appreciate you guys coming back to my channel. It means a lot to me. So today we're gonna do a review on this Hybrid Ceramix Wax by Meguiars. I seen a lot of videos on this one and a lot of people say they like it, so why not give it a try? I did wash my car already yesterday, so there is a little dusty, like little particles on the car. So I'm just gonna do the hood for tonight and see how it looks in the morning. Hopefully this one works pretty good. So this one was only $16 at Walmart. I bought this one at Walmart, and the chemical guys, the one I had before, which I gave away, was like $40, and it was good, but it wasn't that great because it wasn't liquid. It was more like gel material. So I'm gonna do a review on this, but first I also bought this chemical guys speed wipe. I haven't tried this one yet, but I'm gonna try it today. I just bought this one also. This one was like 11 bucks, I believe, and I also bought some extra this is brand new little detail microfiber. So let's clean the hood first. So they just clean the hood. It's not like a waterless car wash, it's more like a gloss. So I just want to try it out. It smells really good. It smells like cherry. Yeah, it says right there, cherry scented. It smells pretty good. So I'm just gonna wipe it down real quick. Oh yeah, it smells really good. All right, that side's clean. All right, so I just cleaned the hood with this speed wipe by Chemical Guys, and it looks really good. Looks really shiny. Even the touch feels like soft. It's because when I washed the car yesterday, I used a clay bar, so it's still smooth. All right, so let's get a new towel, and then let's use this. All right, guys, so just got the towel here, fresh towel, and then I got a sponge to put the liquid in. So instruction says that you have to shake it. It's kind of like a wax. The only thing, it doesn't haze. It says just let it sit for a couple minutes. This one smells really good. Oh yeah, it smells like bubblegum, or not bubblegum, not like bubblegum, but like, I don't know, like fruity. It smells really good. Alright guys, so I was thinking I should just do one side, on the right side, do the ceramic coating, and then the left one just leave clean without no ceramic coating. We'll let it stay here for a couple minutes, 2 or 3 minutes, and then we'll wipe it off. Alright guys, so 4 minutes just passed, and we're gonna see the review on this thing, see if it's worth it. Just clearing off the residue. Wow, I could really see it shine more. This one has a good color, like it's there clean, but this one, like the color pops out more. Let's see if it feels different. Oh yeah, way different. This one's like, it's soft, but it's like, it has like the little, you can feel like this is not like 100% like clear, you know what I mean? This one's like butter. All right, now I bought a water jug. All right, so let's do without the ceramic coating. So let's pour some right here. Like, it might help with the little spray that I use, the speed wash, but yeah, it's not that bad on that one. You see, watch this. Like the water comes off really good. All right, let's see this side. Yes, ready? Look at that, it just comes out right off. It's almost the same. Let's see. It's because I put a lot more on this one. Wow. That's crazy. Look at that. All the water just comes off. Oh, you just need like one of those microfiber towels. Wipe it off and it's done. So let's just try the drying towel. Dry this part off. No pressure at all. Let's see how it comes off. Yeah, you can see it's almost gone. Alright, so let's do that. Just one slide. Look at that, guys. This side's clean, like nothing on there. Wow. Just one that completely dry. Yeah. This one's pretty good. So what do I rate this from 1 to 10 for Meguiars? Because I really like Meguiars. Alright, so what do I rate this ceramic wax? From 1 to 10. The price was good, smells good, and the work was really good too. I would have to rate this overall a 8. Because the price was really good. And like I said, it smells good, and it did some great job. So yeah, guys, this one I will rate an 8. Like I said, it was a hybrid ceramic wax, and it's liquid. And you guys can find this at your local Walmart, Target, Amazon. It smells great. Let me see one more time. It smells like, I don't know, like fruity. It smells good, guys. But yeah, guys, thank you guys for watching. It was a really short video. I just wanted to do a review on this ceramic because I seen this at Walmart. I was like, let me try this and I'll do a review on that. But yeah, guys, thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate you guys watching this whole video. It was really short. But if you guys have any questions, message me or leave a comment. And thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys on the next one. Whoa.